This summer's Cook & Company property video is presented by Claire Balliet, Realtor. This sweet home is just waiting for its new owners. The front entry has the original brick flooring which creates a warm feel as you walk through the doors. The double pane windows were replaced approximately 5 years ago, so utility bills should be lower. All 3 bedrooms have great closet space and both bathrooms are updated. The living area has tons of space for TV watching, game playing, eating Thanksgiving dinner, and entertaining friends and family. The French doors open out to the fenced backyard and deck. The kitchen has a newer dishwasher and a small breakfast space. Laundry facilities are in a room off of the double-car garage and it has amazing storage space. The garage is vented for heat and AC, but it is currently shut off. A huge metal building on a concrete slab in the back has a roll-up door and work benches. Call today to schedule your appointment. For more information,